is Aimee Mutesi. I'm working on the project Psychology at Work. I will summarize and compare two videos. The first one is for Brendan. It's called How to Be Happy, Secret to Happiness. The second one is for Sonja. It's called Happiness for Lifetime. Starting to the video for Brandon, he said that happiness comes from common sense, where he said that common sense isn't common practice, and he gave 4 points which you shall consider in order to be points. In order to be happy. He said that you have to he said how to be happy emotionally, how to be happy physically, how to be happy in relationships, and how to be happy spiritually. Starting to the point of how to be happy emotionally, he said that you have to consider your past, your present, and your future. And he said that you have to consider, you have to accept your past so that you may be happy in present. He said that maybe you might face some challenges, some struggles, but you have to accept uh, how it is. And to be happy present, in present, he said that you have to be engaged in what you are doing. You have to be focused in what you are doing. And in the future, he said that you have to predict your future. You have to think about something which will make you happy. And going to the point which he said that about being happy physically, he said that you have to to sleep 8 hours. You have to drink water. You have to eat some greens. You have to avoid foods which you know you are allergic to. And going to the point of being happy spiritually, he said that you have to have faith. He said that you have to be thankful. And Brandon said that you have to predict that God is going to do a great thing in your life. And going to the last point of being happy in a relationship, he said that there are some questions that you have to ask yourself. The first question, he said that you have to ask yourself if you are the one who is present in your relationship. He said that you have to ask yourself if you are appreciative, or if you are adorable in your relationship, and other questions. And going to the second video, which is for Sonja, he said that being happy, you have to be kind, you have to help someone else. And she used a Chinese quote, which in order to support her talk, which state that in order to be if you want to be happy an hour, take a nap. If you want to be happy a day, go fishing. If you want to be happy a month, get married. If you want to be happy a year, invest a fortune. And if you want to be happy a lifetime, for a lifetime, have somebody else. And she supported her talk also using the quote of USA president, which states like that the benefit of helping somebody else is beneficial. And she also did an experiment. That experiment was about students who were divided in 3 groups. And the first group, uh, those groups should practice five acts of kindness. The first group was called the control group. That control group didn't do any act of kindness. The second one uh, practiced the five acts of kindness in one day, and the last group practiced the acts of kindness across the week. And she concluded using a statistical method that the second group, which practiced the five kinds acts of kindness in one day, which was very happy than other groups. And after analyzing those two videos, I found that the video for Sonja, which used scientific lens, this is because Sonja was using some codes, and also for example, the codes which said for the USA president, which said that the benefit of helping someone else is beneficial. Also, the reason why I said that it's a scientific claim. This is because she did an experiment. She did an experiment in order to prove to 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 see or to see the people who will be happy. And and also she used a statistical method in order to conclude her talk. Going to the first video, which is not supported by scientific claims, I said that it's not a scientific claim because he was using things that we know. Anyone can say that, like when he said that being happy physically, you have to sleep 8 hours. This anyone can say that. And also he said that being happy spiritually, you have to be great, thankful. This also is a belief. It's not. It may be true, but it's not a science. Uh, that's why I can conclude that the video for Sonja, which is about scientific claims. Thank you.